Oh, welcome to Mrs Lovett's Pie Shop, Leith Street, London. I'm the proprietor. Yes, I'm Marjorie Lovett, but if you really want to butter me up, you can call me Marge. But don't spread it. In you come, my loves, you're more than welcome. Now, I'm very famous for my meat pies. People always hanker to know what my secret recipe is, but I fear if they discovered the truth they would find it hard to swallow. But I get my meat from a very special friend, Mr. Sweeney Todd. Now I get my meat all fresh and warm, but for you modern lot, you always seem to get it frozen and raw. So for you special lot, as a little Christmas treat, how about I show you the proper way to do a 3-bird roast. However, to do this I will require some assistance, so here we go. Oh, look at him. How lovely. Shall we get started? And so now we have the rib cage entirely removed. That would take roughly about 20 minutes to achieve. And of course the legs have now been spread and dislocated, leaving easy access, of course. So now we've got one from earlier. So once the turkey is completely deboned, you have to remove the legs as they take a very long time to cook. They can be minced and mixed with pork and herbs. Beautiful tasting. Right, and then we have to debone all the birds. So you've got the guinea fowl, and you've got the chicken, and then it's the fun part where you put it all together. What a lovely touch is to inside each bird line it with stuffing. It's a lovely texture. So of course you start with the guinea fowl, stuffing inside, put that in the chicken, wrap it all out, and then put it in the turkey, exactly the same. Oh, lovely little present. The stuffing would go in here, and then you wrap it round, and then we have to tie it up in a nice little bow. And then that's when we'd put it in the oven, get a nice old cook. What you want to do when putting on the rope, you want to use the hangman's noose, the tightest one you can get, of course. Give it a nice old wrap up. This will take about 4 hours in the oven. You want about 160 degrees. Heavy basting, of course. And here's one I made earlier. Right, get your lovely knife and just cut all the way down. I've sent my silent assistant away for the moment. He's looking a bit scruffy. So it's going to see Sweeney, of course. And here you go. I'll be with you in a minute, darling. And here you go. Beautiful 3-bird roast. So, just to refresh, you've got the turkey, the chicken, the guinea fowl. You need to completely debone it with the butterfly effect going right the way down. Dislocate the legs, remove the turkey, of course, because, you know, they're slow for cooking. Then you layer in the stuffing and pile it all in. Hangman's noose to tie it up. And there you go. 160 degrees in the oven for 4 hours. And you've got your beautiful Christmas roast. It's been a while. I wonder where my silent assistant has got to. Must be having a good time with Sweetie. Oh! Wait there! Customers! Sorry about that. Have a bloody good Christmas.